Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate latte art. First, gather your ingredients: quality cocoa powder, your preferred milk, and a sturdy espresso cup. You'll also need a small metal pitcher, a thermometer, and a spoon. Make sure your hot chocolate is already prepared and waiting in your serving cup. Using whole milk or a barista-style plant milk will give you the best foam texture for beautiful designs. Let's get started with steaming that milk. Now, let's steam your milk to perfection. You want to heat it to a temperature between 140 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The goal is a silky, glossy texture with very small, uniform bubbles, often called microfoam. Start by incorporating air for about 3 to 5 seconds, then submerge the steam wand just below the surface. Once steamed, gently swirl the milk in the pitcher to eliminate any large air pockets and achieve that smooth, pourable consistency. This step is crucial for great art. With your perfectly steamed milk ready, it's time to pour your design. Hold your cup at a slight angle and begin pouring from a moderate height into the center. This allows the hot chocolate and milk to mix. As the cup fills, lower the pitcher closer, about 1 inch above the surface. Increase your pour speed slightly to encourage the white foam to rise. This is where your pattern will start to emerge. Keep a steady hand and focus on that central point. Creating beautiful latte art takes practice, so don't worry if your first few attempts aren't masterpieces. Experiment with different pouring motions to discover various patterns. A simple heart is a great starting point. Push forward to create a circle, then quickly cut through the middle. The key is consistency in your milk steaming and pouring technique. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be impressing everyone with your hot chocolate latte art. Enjoy your delicious and visually stunning drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.